Welcome to YK Wonders. This is Ganesh from Bangalore. Okay, in this video, let's continue with the linear equations. Okay, in the last video, we saw how to solve some of the linear equations. Think, for example, we said 3x. If 3x is 12, x is. So this is a single term, 3x, correct, monomial, and so x is part of it. So our aim is to find the value of x. So x is equal to, say, right hand side, whatever is on the right hand side, you write it, or other side, whatever is the other side, you write. Then say multiply by the reciprocal, or divide by, say, divide by the other part. Other part is 3. Say divide by 3, or multiply by the reciprocal of the other part. Reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. Okay, so in each case, you will get the result as 4. Okay, same. Okay, suppose it's a 3 by 4 instead of 3x. Suppose 3 by 4x is equal to 12. Same. Okay, say x is equal to 12 into reciprocal of the other part. So which is 4 by 3, because reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3. So here we get say 3 and 12. So 4 times, so 16. So if 3 by 4x is equal to 12, x is equal to 16. See now, note this. You should know when to divide or when to add, subtract. See, for example, here, since suppose instead of 3x, suppose it's 3 plus x is equal to 12. See, then here, see, there are two different terms. See, you want x. So in that case, you want to move the entire term to the other side. So in that case, sign of that term will change. Then here it's equal to 12 minus 3 equal to 9. Okay. So be clear about this. So if 3x is 12, x is equal to 3 by 12, or 3, x is 12 by 3, or 12 into 1 by 3. So here divide. So in this case, your sign will change. If you there are two terms, you want part of it. Okay, let's discuss some more examples. Okay, suppose say 20 equal to 6 plus 2x. See here, x is on the right side, and say x term, the term containing x, that's 2x, is positive. So leave it as it is in that side itself. Bring 6 to the other side. So it becomes 20 minus 6, because 20 is the same side, same left hand side. Because so here what is LHS, as we saw in the earlier videos. See 20. So this is LHS. So LHS is the part to the left side of the equation. So 20, LHS is 20, RHS is 6 plus 2x. Okay. So 20 is in the same side, so no change in sign, but we are bringing 6 here from the other side. So 6 becomes minus 6, sign changes. So is equal to 2x. So 20 minus 6 is 14. So 14 is 2x. So 2x is to 14 equal to 2x or 2x is equal to 14. Both are same. So x is equal to 14 by 2, okay, which is 7. See, sometimes, see, x terms, the term containing x, okay, can be on both sides of the equality sign, or both LHS and RHS. So, for example, 15 plus x equal to 5x plus 3. Okay, again here we are interested in finding the value of x. So we need to move the all terms containing x to one side. So which side to move, from left to right or right to left? So better way is move the no variable. So in this case x with the smaller coefficient to the other side. See, smaller coefficient here, coefficient of x here is 1. Okay, so here 1x, here 5x. So move x to the other side and the numbers to this side, other number. Okay, so 15 minus 3 is equal to 5x minus x. So which means 15 minus 3 is 12 is equal to 4x. 12 equal to 4x or 4x is equal to 12. Okay, both are same. So x is equal to 12 by 4. 12 by 4 or 12 into 1 by 4. Okay, both are the same. The result is 3. So value of x is 3. Okay, another variation, see 3x plus 2 equal to minus 7 into x minus 6. So here there is a bracket here in this equation. So let's remove that bracket first. 3x plus 2 equal to, so minus 7 into x. So isn't it minus 7 into x minus, that means we need to multiply each term, so inside the bracket by minus 7. So minus 7 into x minus 7x minus 7 into minus 6. So here, okay, sign will change, correct, because there is a minus sign outside. Sign of each term will change. See, first term is positive, second term is negative. So here, so first term will become negative and second one positive. So 6 into, so it becomes plus 42. Again, as I said, so move, now there are x terms on either side of the equality sign. So move the smaller x term to the other side. So keep in mind, when any term moves from one side to another, sign changes. So now it becomes 3x. See, plus 7x, because minus 7x becomes plus 7x when it comes to this side. So equal to 42. Again, plus 2 becomes minus 2. So here we have 10x is equal to 40. So 10x is 40, which means x is equal to 40 by 10, which is equal to 4. And see, again we saw the term with bracket here. So say brackets can okay occur so on both sides also. See, for example, let's take this one, 3 into say b minus 4 equal to 2 into, see, it can be any variable, whether a, b, c, x, y, z, or m, n, p, q. Okay, so we need to find the value of that variable. So again, let's expand this, or let's remove bracket appropriately. By appropriately I mean taking care of signs. See here, see 3, 2, both are positive, correct? So no change in sign. So 3b minus 12 is equal to 2 into 4, 8 minus 2b. So again, smaller b term to be moved to the other side. So 3b plus 2b equal to 8. Again minus 12, so we will be going to the other side, so it will become plus 12. So 5b is equal to 20, which means b equal to 20 by 5 is equal to 4. See, another thing we so I've been no saying is a linear equation. No, what's the meaning of linear? Already we saw what linear polynomial is, correct? Same way, what is the linear polynomial? The polynomial of degree 1. So same way, equation, linear equation is the equation of degree 1. That means the maximum degree of any term, okay, will be 1. Isn't it? Say for example, say look at so any equation. Say for example this one. Okay, let's take okay, so this is the original this equation. See there are here, so what is the term? So this is a constant term 15. So degree of this is 0. So degree of this one x is 1. So this is also 1, this is 0. So so what is the degree of this equation? 1, because that's same. See highest degree among different degrees of the term. So therefore it's a linear equation. Okay, so just to remind, so other equations are quadratic equations, quadratic equations are equations with degree 2. Cubic equation, so if the degree of the equation is 3, then we call it cubic equation. So here we are dealing with linear equations in one variable. Say here only one variable. Here in this equation the variable is x. So if you look at this one, the variable is b, so only one variable. Okay, now let's see the equation of the form. Say some expression, some value, say this form a by b equal to c by d, this form, or some expression here, say some expression by some other expression, so this way. So how to solve equations of this form? Say x minus, let's take this, by 5 equal to x minus 12 by 9. Okay, so it's of this form. See some, okay, it's of this form, right? As I said, okay, in that case, so we need to cross multiply. See like this. This is our cross multiplication. This into this to this. So here, if we cross multiply, so what we get? So 9 into x minus 8 equal to 5 into x minus 12. So it's important to use bracket here because it has more than one term, correct? So x minus 12 and x minus 8, they are binomials. So you can write anything first. Say either you can write 9 into x minus 8 equal to 5 into x minus 12, or say 5 minus 12. This one you can write first, 5 minus 5 into x minus 12. So equal to 9 into x minus 8. So it doesn't matter in which order you write, you will get the same result. Now let's expand. So 9x minus 72 is equal to 5x minus 60. Okay, as usual, move the smaller x term to the other side. 9x minus 5x equal to minus 60. Okay, write the remaining, c minus 60, so no change in sign, but 72 comes from the other side, so sign changes to plus. So 9 minus 5 is 4, so 4x is equal to minus 60 plus 72, or 72 minus 60, so what is that? 12. So x is equal to 12 by 4, which is equal to 3. So this is an example of solving by cross multiplication. And again, say it can involve need not be so all integers, can involve fractions, decimal, or even irrational numbers, which will be studying about later. Okay, let's take okay, little may look it's not complicated, but little so but same procedure. See, whatever be the equation, say follow the same procedure, but here if some fractions are involved, I'll tell you how it can be solved easily. Let's take see 3x by 4 minus 1 by 4 into x minus 20 equal to x by 4 plus 32. See, fractions are involved, and it's not in the, if not in this form, okay, where so only one denominator on either side. See here, only one denominator, one denominator this side also. But here, see different denominators. So of course, they can be made into single denominator by taking the LCM. So for example, here C denominator is 1 here. C denominators are not same. So in that case, so you cannot cross multiply this directly, isn't it? Because it's not in this form. So easy way is to multiply each term by the LCM of denominators. So what are the denominators here? Denominators are only 4 here, correct? So LCM of so LCM is just 4. So multiply each term by 4. See 4 into 3x by 4 minus 4 into 1 by, okay, can write like this. So another thing, okay, I'll talk about it later. See 4 into 1 by 4 x minus 20 is equal to 4 into x by 4 plus 4 into 32. See, remember this, we have multiplied. So each term by 4, that's very important, because equation will remain valid if each term is multiplied or divided by the same number. Okay, here we are multiplying each term by 4 because see, just to get rid of the fractions, because the see LCM is divisible by the numbers, okay, the corresponding numbers. Okay, here 4, say 4 gets cancelled. See, now we have, so you should not forget to multiply this term by 4. So now we are left with 3x minus, say, x minus 20 is equal to x plus 4 into 32, so 128. See, there's a bracket here. Let's expand that. So we have 3x minus, so because there's a minus sign, so it will change, minus x plus 20 is equal to x plus 128. Okay, as usual, bring that x this side. Okay, let's before we move, let's simplify the expression, okay, on either side of the equation. So 3x minus x, 2x plus 20 equal to x plus 128. So 2x minus x equal to 128 minus 20. So x is equal to 108. Hope it's clear to you. Yeah, I wanted to tell you, see x, so this one, so here we saw 1 by 4 x minus 20, correct. Okay, this is same as x minus 20 by 4, both are same, whether 1 by 4 into x minus 20 or x minus 20 by 4, they mean the same. Okay, let's see another example of this type. Say a plus 5 by 6 minus a plus 1 by 9 equal to a plus 3 by 4. So again this involves fractions, or so let's multiply each term. So each term on either side of the equation, so each term by the LCM of denominators. So denominators are 6, 9 and 4. So what's the LCM of 6, 9 and 4? It's 36. So you know how to find LCM. So 36. So multiply each term by 36. So when you multiply say by 36, then it is 6 times. So it will get cancelled. You will get 6, right? So it will become 6 into a plus 5. See here when you multiply 36 4 times. Okay. See if you are not sure, you can have one more step. Say 36 into a plus 5 by 6 minus 36 into a plus 1 by 9, so equal to 36 into a plus 3. Yeah, so remember to multiply each term by 36, then only the equation will remain valid. So here, so it gets 6 times, here 4 times, here again, here 9 times. See next line you will not have any fractions. So now we have 6 into a plus 5. So actually you can directly multiply. To make it clear, I am writing this again. 6 into a plus 5 minus 4 into a plus 1 equal to 9 into a plus 3. See, now you see there's no denominator. Now let's expand. So 6 into a, right, 6a plus 30 minus 4a minus 4 equal to 9a plus 27. So we have, let's simplify the left hand side. So 6a minus 4a, correct, they are like terms. So 6 minus 4 is 2, so 2a, and 30 minus 4, 26 equal to 9a plus 27. Now let's move, so I'll group all the terms containing the variable to one side, and so as usual we move smaller a term to the other side, so it becomes 26 minus 27 equal to 9a minus 2a, 2a. Okay, which means 26 minus 27 is minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to 7a, or 7a is equal to minus 1. So both are same. See, 7a equal to minus 1 equal to 7a. So also means 7a equal to minus 1. Correct. So a equal to minus 1 by 7. So that's all. So this is the answer or solution for this equation, or value of the variable a is minus 1 by 7. Okay, let's see more in our next video. Thank you.